What was... We gotta play that again. Mario himself. Let's see what Mario looks like. Oh! Oh my gosh, this is gonna be interesting. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm dying.
You guys are the ones that ruined Sonic for everyone!
You know, I can take somebody incredibly serious when their voice frequency is going up and down at a constant rate. I hate being sick!
Asking for all this freaking garbage!
Why is he so out of breath? He just stood up for literally 5 seconds. Well, wait a minute. Hold on. That is a lot of work. Never mind. You did this! It is really hard to understand anything you say when you talk English with freaking this! Oh.
Seriously, what the frick? What the frick?
Oh my god! Why am I watching this?
Holding the can upright, spray in short bursts as you work your way around all those nooks and crannies. Oh man! Just look at all that crap flying out of there.
Donald and I are gonna put on a show for Mom and Dad.
Yes, you too can have your own Ronald McDonald voodoo doll. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Wanna get burned, be cool about fire safety. You got a lot to learn. Remember that when it's fire, there's gonna be a lot of smoke. Falling, crawling, coming out. So smoke can make you choke. Be cool about fire safety. Be cool about fire safety. Be cool about fire safety.
A stranger can be anyone, a man, a woman, or a teenager, someone that you don't know, and it makes no difference.
What the heck was that? This is so creepy. This is so bad.
I've never run so fast.
Nothing starts.
Oh my gosh.
If you have time to worry, then run.
My people need me. I wasn't ready for this. A fourth segment. Are you kidding me?
Now is the time, now is the hour for you to subscribe to SFG74. Then go on to Instagram and type Metalhead DMS16 and follow him right now.
Because he's actually the same person you're watching right now. So why wouldn't you follow? Do it now. Thank you. And if you didn't do it, you're dead, all right? Bloody hell, what the hell is this outro? I've done like 50 of these, and this is the one I'm settling on. Bye. Subscribe.